Not mine. My other one. I don't want it.
So Max told me I get the job that is most liable to actually get a come along slammed in your face.
That's not right.
Yeah, hi, Hokie in the vlog here. Welcome back to Car Flippers. We are actually flipping a car, unlike all the other videos out there that are talking about how to flip cars. This is how you actually flip a car. Let's get into it.
The door hinges are welded to the pillars, so in order to actually take them apart properly, they take all the the trim panels are unbolt them like no way. Take the chain and hook the chain underneath the hitch on the Subaru, like on the other side.
So in YouTube world, they say you need to find a niche for a video to do well.
This is a production right here. That's what this is.
There are no videos showing up in the algorithm on flipping a car over to access the bottom of it.
And yes, I'm fine with that, but we are going to get a safety chain on there so that when it bounces back, like people don't, you know what I mean? The insurance adjuster shows up and like, I don't know what they were doing under there. Are you kidding me?
I think what we're going to do today is create a how-to video.
Are you going to take the glass out first?
Yes, we do need to get that out. Crazy.
Yep.
I got it.
Oh man. Excellent.
Do you have it?
Yep.
All right. How to flip a car over if you want to access the underside of the car. This is going to be like a documentary style.
Put off the ramp. Fine. Keep going, man. Keep going. I'm coming up too. You guys okay? Yeah, I'm good. Wiggle back and forth a little bit. Bring it this way. Wiggle it. Oh baby.
Lovely. All right. Yeah, because that bottom was almost cut through.
So this is what's happening here. So the floors on that one are going in this one.
It's all stock 1.5 NA.
1.5 NA.
I'm just gonna light it up. I'm just gonna turn it on. I'm gonna drain the oil. Turn it on.
Good grief.
Yeah, look at that, man. Isn't that something? It's even got the radiator cardboard and everything. So yeah, it's almost prepped. I got to go back through and everything
And what would you call this color? Brown.
Dude,
is this the turd?
This is the iconic Volkswagen Dasher. It's been in.
Yeah.
You can find it in several movies. I mean,
Yeah.
these things hit the ground and people just didn't know what they had, man. They just stomped on it and blew them up and left them on the side of the road. Yeah. So that's where that's the goal there, one side at a time. Definitely keep trying. That would be ideal. Going one, going Dave. Okay.
Oh,
What happened?
it's really coming.
Tighten it up, Dave.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Stay in the way, huh?
Yeah.
How are you doing, Dave?
Good.
Hey.
Getting in more. Oh.
Okay, hang on. All right, I'm holding it. You got it. So let's, are these in the right position, you think?
Are we good?
I think so, guys, yeah.
Just go for it.
Yeah, go ahead. Bring it over. Okay, go in there. You need to adjust that.
Yeah.
Is there enough room for that car to flip over and not hit the Subaru?
That's a good question. I don't know.
I think so.
It's gonna slide down the hill.
Once it's kind of like on.
Yeah, once it's on those skids,
It's gonna.
it'll go down.
I think it's gonna slide.
Oh, it will actually hold it. I think that's helping.
Meanwhile, my Quantum is watching this in horror.
I know. Hey, Dave, did you see this? Did you know that the pyramids are actually gold dashers that they actually rolled into position?
Yeah. With a setup really much just like
That's
this.
the same thing. That's
Yeah.
what we're doing. Is just moving a silver dasher 2,000 years later. Careful, Alex. Careful. Yeah, bring it over.
Getting awfully close to the blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna really rock much when it goes. Do you?
Wow.
All right, you ready? No, I think we need to crank it some more here. You stay there, Alex. Pull it over.
Oh, that's close.
All right.
just like we wrote it up, huh?
And that's how you flip a car.
That's probably worse than I mean, it doesn't really look good, does it?
Well, see, I can. I'll picture a little rough on this.
You had a picture in your brain about how wonderful this
I
is
thought
all
it was going to be a
go.
very surgical situation where people say, hey, you know, it looks like I landed Mars last night drunk.
Looks like you came up that hill going around 190.
Evil type.
You could turn this into a positive. Call the fire department up the street. They can bring the kids down here as a drunk driving. Can we get the pry bars under the front and tilt the front up and get those?
Yeah, that's what we need. That's what we need to do.
Of course, that's what we need to do. That's definitely what we need to do. Danger seekers!
Plus.
Oh, it's a fancy one.
You can do graphs.
You could play Snake on this. If you put the heavy part where you want, we
bring
can
this over
push
here.
around the back end.
Yeah, bring it over here and pull it down.
Yeah.
It's almost there though.
Yeah, all of these stupid videos about car flipping and they're talking about how much money this and that and they totally missed the point.
This is your car upside down.
Oh yeah, baby.
Yeah, there we go.
This is the rubber.
I think,
Yeah,
actually,
Alex, I'm gonna get out of the way.
What do you think? Whoa, Alex, good. Don't you want it further closer this way? You need to. That's good. Let me get off? Yeah, you're good. Why don't you just bring the jack around?
Else in the front.
Yeah, just bring the jack around. It's just
Lunch right here. You know, it's got a nice little table.
That worked perfectly. That's exactly what I wanted. Yeah, so I just have to cut one by one. I have to cut these sections out on either side, take them in, weld, at least weld the structure in.
All right, so how to properly flip a car is no longer missing from YouTube.
Yeah.
We fixed it. We'll see you next time on this is like the opposite of rad savers. This is exactly what we don't do.
This is